Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Equalizer APO not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've configured Equalizer APO but you're not hearing the audio changes or improvements you expected, there are a few things you can check to resolve the issue. First, open Equalizer APO on your computer. Once it launches, verify that the correct playback and recording devices are selected. Make sure the microphone and speaker devices listed in Equalizer APO match the devices you are actually using. If the devices appear to be correct, open the Equalizer APO device selector. Inside this window, double-check that the proper audio devices are selected. While you're there, look for the troubleshooting option. Run the troubleshooter and allow it to scan for any configuration issues. If a problem is detected, the tool may provide information that can help you fix it. If everything looks correct and the troubleshooter does not find any issues, the next step is to restart your computer. A simple restart can sometimes reload the audio services and apply pending changes that Equalizer APO requires to function properly. If the problem continues after restarting, try reinstalling the software. So, open up your device settings and then go to Apps section. Then, open the Installed Apps section in Windows Settings, search and locate Equalizer APO, and uninstall it. After the removal process is complete, download and install the latest version again. Once the installation is finished, configure your devices again and test the audio. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Equalizer APO not working. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.